Thank you. Copyright strikes is formal action taken against individuals or entities. Yeah, let me tell you about a copyright action. My dear friends, let me tell you about a network problem right now. Okay, a copyright strike is a formal action taken against individuals or entities who used copyrighted materials without proper permission or authorization. So it's often issued by content sharing platforms like that of the YouTube in response to complaints from the copyright owners. So when you upload content that contains protected material like that of music, video, image, text, or any other copyrighted material without permission from the copyright, that is from the right holders, then the copyright owner can file a claim against you. So depending on the platform, here's how it typically works. The first one is copyright claim versus copyright strike. Sometimes copyright owners issue claims instead of strikes. So claims don't penalize the creator, but may redirect any revenue if monetized to the copyright holder. So a strike, however, is more serious and suggests infringement without legal basis or without license. Let me tell you about the process. A copyright owner identifies the unauthorized use of their content, and then they notify the platform by filing a copyright infringement report. And then the platform evaluates the report, and if the report is valid, issue a copyright strike will automatically come to you, the creator. Then what the consequence will be? So the consequence of a strike will be one, limited functionality. That means strikes often results in restriction or suspension of certain features from your site. For example, maybe monetization or live streamings. So you have to take care of that. The other consequence will be account suspension. On platforms like that of the YouTube, receiving 3 copyright strikes within a specific time frame, mostly 90 days, leads to account termination, really, which is too hard, and removal of all uploaded contents so far. The other consequence is potential legal action. Potential legal action. Beyond platform penalties, copyright infringement can also lead to lawsuits or financial fines from your site. How to avoid strikes? Let me tell you how to avoid copyright strikes. First, use royalty-free or licensed materials for your content. That is the first action. The second action is you are expected to do or to create original content entirely. You have to try this one better. The third option is if you are using others' work, you are expected to see explicit permissions or rely on fair use. Fair use. So this is context depending on, that means context dependence, and it varies by jurisdiction. So if you are dealing with a copyright strikes or trying to prevent one, let me know. I can share tips or resources to help you in order for you to be safe from copyright strikes.